iitguide.com test series services. So students should go to students portal. They can log in to iitguide.com services, or they can go directly to online test series. So this is where you get to see the videos. This is where you get to see the assignment. And so you get to see the online test series after clicking this icon. So when you click that icon, you have to log in, and the login and password have been provided to you. When you log in, you will learn to My Dashboard. At My Dashboard, you will see the tests which are assigned to you. For example, a student here has JEE Advanced IIT JEE 2015 course and the JEE Main for 2015. You can go to My Profile and edit your profile, provide more information about it, or you can change the password from here. Again, go back to Dashboard. This is where you land after login. Now to check the test packages which you have and how to start the test packages, you should go to Online Test and click on the test packages. Over here, you will see the test packages which are assigned to you. You can click on any of these buttons and they will take you to the previous years or model tests which are available for that package. You also have the chapter test, and you have ability to create test for yourself from 1 lakh plus questions. So for example, you can go to JEE Advanced 2015. You can click on previous year test, and it will show you model test and previous year test here. You can go select any of the model tests from this list which we have, or you can select the previous year test, and you can simply start the test to appear in the test, and then you can finish it online. Similarly, you can go back to the other package which you have. You can click on any of the button. For example, you can have model test, you can have previous year test, you can have chapter test. Now the model tests are available here. The previous year tests are available in this tab, and there are about 100 tests available of individual chapters for physics, chemistry, and mathematics under the chapter test tab. So it's very important. This is very important. You can use this to prepare chapter by chapter. For example, if you want to appear for the test of coordinate geometry, this is where you're going to have only the test questions related to coordinate geometry. Or you can go to current electricity in physics. So you can choose which test you want to appear to, and you can appear in that test. Now under this chapter test, you will also be having functionality to create your own test. You can click on create your own test. You can select under which category you want to create the test. Say, for example, you're selecting mathematics. You can select the sets, and then you can say all sets. That's what is added to your category. You can click next, and then you can create the complete test out of it. System is working. It's creating the test for you. Or you want to add more topics, you can go back. You can add, say, physics. You can select some of the test cases from physics. Say for the measurement, you can add this. You can add kinematics, for example, like this. You see the test chapters are adding here. You can select something from chemistry if you want to add, say, electrochemistry. So you have complete flexibility to create the test the way you want to create it, the way you feel test should have these categories, and you want to appear only for that. And then you can create the next button, click the next button, and then you can go check the tests which are available to you after clicking the next button. So that's how you create the test. Again, you have a bunch of test cases which are available, and a lot of flexibility and functionality available. Like when you are creating the create your own test, you can define how many questions you want from a specific section, and once you specify all those, you want 20 questions of physics and measurement, on 10 questions in sets, etc., etc., and you can click next, and it will create a customized, tailor-made test for you. Now, as a summary, iitguide.com provides premium test series. You get for JEE Advanced, you get previous year's papers, you get model test, and there are total 34 tests just for JEE Advanced preparation. You have for JEE Mains, you have previous year test, 18. You have JEE Mains model and syllabus paper, those are 20. And total JEE Mains pre-built tests are available to you, 38. Those are a lot of tests. It takes a lot of time to appear and complete the test. So this gives you a good amount of test, which using that you can check where do you stand when you appear in the test. Now, in addition to that, as I said, you have 100 tests which are available to you. Those are chapter tests for physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and those are individual. You can just select a specific chapter which you just had the class for, and then you can appear and see how you're performing in that. Now, in addition to that, you also have 1 lakh plus question database, and you can create your own test as you want. So that's iitguide.com premium test series service, which is available to every student of iitguide.com when you get the course.